Yes. Oh my gosh, yes. Damn. Good old Dame's Point. Man, this looks incredible. So we are back here at Mill Cove, and the plan is to fish all the docks down here. Last time I just fished the islands for redfish, and today I just want to fish the docks. I want to catch some flounder, maybe a trout, who knows, but trying to stay away from the redfish. I got my second camera back, so I will see y'all out there once the sun comes up. First cast of the day. I feel like it's got to be a topwater. It just looks too good right now. On the dock. Damn, that was right there. Wow. Is that a better flounder? It is a better flounder. Let's freaking go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What a struggle. That's a good fish. Wow, that's a great fish. I just caught one of the best flounder of my life. Oh my gosh. That's a big flounder. And of course, I didn't bring anything to keep fish today. I feel like it works out like that sometimes. On the white gulp. What a freaking stud. Beautiful fish. Let's see how big he is. Just over 19 inches. Man. I'm gonna have to let him go. I didn't bring anything to keep fish today. What a beautiful fish. Wow. Dang. That was fun. I finally caught one. All right, so the reason I'm not keeping any fish is because when this video is released, I'll be boating to the Bahamas from Florida. And so I'm just out here having fun. And then I catch that one, and flounder's like my favorite fish to eat, so now I'm kind of regretting not having a cooler, because I don't leave for another 2 days. So that's a bummer, but that's okay. At least I caught something other than a redfish. I feel like that's all I've been catching, so let's go see if we can get another one. Man, I forgot how good like a big flounder can fight. Let's go. These birds are tearing up something. Let's see if anybody's home. I would love a jack. There's fish. I just don't know what they are. Come on. There we go. What was it? Is it a jack? I feel like I foul hooked it. What are they? Oh, it's trout. Nice. Little speckled trout. That was not what I was expecting. These birds have been diving on bait for the last 20 minutes, and I finally figured out what they are. Nice little speckled trout. Gonna let them go. That's the only the second fish I've caught today, and it's probably been 3 hours since I've caught that flounder. It's been really slow. I might switch it up and go see if I can target some more of these trout or redfish, because the flounder bite, it's not there. All right, now I kind of feel like I have to go target a redfish just to get the Inshore Grand Slam. I haven't done that in Jacksonville since I've moved back. Come on. Oh, that is a red. Come on, baby. Inshore slam time. Oh my gosh. He's literally getting shrimp. Which way? I think he's moving to the right. Oh my gosh. All right, I'm gonna have to put this cast like on the money. Oh. No, I'm on the freaking oysters. Oh, I lost it. Oh, there's another one coming my way. Do y'all see that? All right. There's another one coming this way. Oh, crap. Let's see if I can get him. Oh my gosh, yes. That was sick. Oh, that was sick. Inshore slam, baby. Oh, I can't even paddle after him. I'm in too shallow of water. Oh, that was sick. Beautiful red. Yes. Let's go. Let's go. Whew. We're in such shallow water. Like I had to pull this out. Dang. The one time I don't carry my cooler, I could have had a keeper trout, flounder, and red. Oh, man. Oh, he's gone. This is why I love fishing. You like go out with a plan sometimes, and if it's not working, that doesn't mean other stuff's not going to be. Like I was about to call it quits and then saw these birds diving, so I was like, oh, well, let me give that a shot, and backed out here having a great time. I mean, there's fish. Yeah, there's fish everywhere. I just don't know what the heck they are. Nice. Oh, it's a ladyfish. That's okay. Still fun. Quick release, didn't get shit on. That's a win. Okay, at least I know what they are now. Alright, that's gonna be it for this one. I broke off like 4 times trying to catch more flounder, and I'll have to keep trying, because it's like the one fish that I'm not great at catching. But still got the slam, so that was super fun. But as always, let me know where y'all are going to be fishing here soon. I love to hear where y'all are watching from and all that stuff, and what y'all are targeting. And stay tuned for the Bahamas fishing trip. And that's it. Thanks, gal.